Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another episode of Login Helps, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to download and install Bumble. So Bumble is a platform for connection, not just for those looking for their honey on date mode, but also those seeking for new friendships or looking for a new business mentor on Bumble. Bumble is actually a great way to find the people in your area that may just bring the energy you are looking for. So if you are interested on this app and want it right away, then the first procedure of it would be installing it. So guys, if you want to install this application, keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to install this application, first of all, tap on Play Store. After you're done tapping on Play Store, go to the search box and type for Bumble. Now click on Bumble. Now all you have to do is tap on the green button of install on the top right corner, and you're almost done, guys. Now you just have to wait for it to get installed, so have patience. So finally we are done, guys. Now you just have to open to use Bumble. It was quick and easy. So this is how we can easily install Bumble application. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.